Right, well, it's Sunday afternoon here, my time, which means that we have about, about 7 hours until the Tokyo session opens, which is the start of the market for the week. So it's Sunday night, my time. I'm in the European sort of time zone. But by then it'll be 9 o'clock in the morning in Tokyo, which is when the Asian session begins. And what we have on our chart right here in front of you is the markets as they finished on Friday. And I did discuss this move down in my last couple of posts on Facebook here, in the video and in the chart example that I showed you in the next post. But you can see where we are right now, just over here where the mouse cursor is. And you can see that we've moved down. We took profit over here at this top of this pink area at that 38% retracement level, Fibonacci level. And it looks to me, and we've retraced a little bit, if I could just zoom in, you can see we went through that area. So we had a breakout and a close beneath this Fibonacci support line. And we've bounced back up, just touched it from underneath of it. It was a support. Now it's a resistance line. And I suspect that the market will move down to this green line, which is an historic support line. If I just zoom right out, you can see the green line goes back quite a long way. And you can see it's been support all the way along here. In fact, even a little bit further back, it's been support all the way along here. It was support there for a while. It broke through, came back down, it fiddled around as a resistance level, came back again. It was support again. And now we're heading back in the same direction, potentially back down to this green line, which also happens to be the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. And it also happens to be where the lower 200 period Bollinger Band is. So that's a really good support line for this price if it continues to move down. Now, what we expect to happen is to wait for a few hours as the market progresses during this upcoming Asian session, and for the price to reach down here. If, again, you're a speculative trader, you might be tempted to trade this short from right now as the market opens and aim for this level. So that would give you, well, currently we're at 1345. This is 1270. So that's about 70 odd pips move down. And if we do get there, we'd then be looking for a reversal sign or some indication from the candlestick patterns and the strength of the support level for the market to move back up again. So that's the trade strategy that I'm looking at in the next few hours once the market opens. So move down to here and then a move back up again. So let's keep an eye on that. I hope you found that useful. And if you are trading, if you are in the markets, you can have a look at that. Please don't take this as any form of advice or financial advice or trading advice. It's merely what appears to be a potentially good setup at the moment, and we'll see what happens. So take care. And if you happen to join up and become part of our live weekly trading sessions, you can be part of this live on screen right on your computer and watch it as it plays out along with the rest of us. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon.